you doing back there? Hi. Are you playing a funny game? You run around the microwave? Playing a funny game where you run around the microwave? Huh? Hey, no biting on the cable. Don't do that. Why? Because it's a dangerous thing. It's a dangerous thing. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. Hey! No bite. You know what that means? No biting. No bite. No bite. No bite, little boy. You can lick things, that's okay. Hey! You're being bad right now. You're being a turd. You're being a turd. Huh? You're being a turd? What? What are you freaking out for? What? You're being such a dork. Come back over here. Oh. What are you doing over there? Hey! You can't eat the microwave! There's bite marks all over this thing. You can't eat the microwave, dork. I don't even know how you like eating that. It's like just metal and plastic. Hey. Those are tomatoes, they're not good for you. The nightshade, those are not good for you. Yeah, those are not good for birdies like you. I know they look like little yummy fruits, and they are. But they're nightshade fruits. Those are no good for little birdies like you. You can have apple. You have to be nice though and ask nicely, Rubio. Start what you're wanting. Some stimulation. Some food stimulation. You want something yummy to eat?